Water is essential to every life, home, community, and to every dream. For the past 20 years, Manila Water Foundation has not only supported the access to clean water and improved sanitation, but also delivered service with depth, bringing vitality and change to every life they touch, and a service with breadth and reach, extending to every corner of the country, to every community.
Napakahirap po ng buhay noon dahil nga po sa walang tubig, walang pagluto, at walang pangdigo, at walang pag-CR. Nag-iigib lang sila sa kabilang baryo.
Lalaki, babae, mapabata po, kailangan po mag-igib. Yung iigibin mo po kasi dapat marami na para may raos mo po yung isang linggo.
Dumapo na rin po yung sakit na diarrhea sa aming lugar po. May nagkasakit na rin po. May namatay na rin po. Napakahirap po mawala ng anak dahil sa sakit.
Nung dumating po yung Manila Water Foundation, nag-survey po sila, nag-house-to-house, tapos hanggang sa nagkaroon po ng training. Hanggang sa handover po yung Manila Water, dinemonstrate po sa amin kung gaano kalinis at kalakas po yung tubig dito. Napakasaya po. Lalo na po sa akin. Talagang hindi po ako makakaigib talaga. Siyempre, ang payat-payat po niya, ma'am.
Sobrang saya po namin na nagkaroon po ng ganong programa. Talagang napakalaking tulong. Hindi lang po sa pamilya ko kundi sa buong community po kasi.
Proud na proud po ako dahil kahit babae po ako, naibigay ko po yung obligasyon ko sa mga tao. Dati may pagdiskriminasyon pa rin sa amin. Pero nagkaroon po ng tubig po ngayon, nagkaroon na rin po ng pagtanggap.
May kaya pa kaming patunayan sa sarili namin na hindi lang kami hanggang dito. Sobrang nakaka-proud po na maging isang member po ng WAS Group kasi may natutulungan ka pong ibang tao, lalo na yung mga katribo mo pa sa buong community.
Beyond access to clean, potable water, every project of Manila Water flows with purpose, empowering lives and creating waves of positive change, reaching communities everywhere, from remote areas to urban communities and institutions.
Considering the number of hand-washing facilities, nung hindi pa nag-donate sa amin ang Manila Water Foundation, ay masasabi namin na hindi talaga siya sapat. Pero dahil nagkaroon ng donation, ito ay naging sapat na para sa aming mga mag-aaral. Pagkakaroon ng hand-washing facilities, napakahalaga po na sa bawat mag-aaral sa paaralan na iwasan ang pagkakaroon ng sakit. Having the refrigerated drinking fountain, na-encourage lalo ang aming mga estudyante na mag-refill ng tubig. Pagpasok sa paaralan ay kumukuha na sila ng tubig during break time. Pamalit na ito sa mga soda like that soft drinks.
Manila Water Foundation's impact flows to key sectors and supports vital advocacies, promoting health, protecting the environment, and fostering community engagement. Ahon enables communities to thrive by closing the gaps on critical infrastructure. Linang taps the technical excellence of Manila Water and enables it to flow for communities that need it the most. Lingap cares for institutions and ensures wash access for all. Agapay cares for communities rising from the effects of disasters and calamities. Lunas champions habits for health to prevent disease and protect life. Likas protects life in the natural world and enables it to thrive. Lago empowers communities who take care of nature's bounty and beauty. Sigla harnesses the power of volunteerism for positive change. Sibol nurtures environmental awareness that propels climate action.
Biodiversity amidst the busy, fast-paced life here in Quezon City. The La Mesa Eco Park.
For the co-management of the La Mesa Eco Park signifies the dawn of a crucial collaboration in our shared mission for a greener future.
The park serves as a reminder of our shared responsibility to protect and sustain our natural environment and resources.
Our team at Manila Water Foundation remains ever grateful to all our partners and collaborators. Without those synergies, our mission of bringing WASH for all communities would be challenging and will not be as successful as it is now. Manila Water Foundation looks forward to serving more communities and institutions as we now expand our programs in the protection and conservation of the environment, and will continue to close the gaps on water access, sanitation, and hygiene.
The call to nurture and protect our environment in view of water security and scarcity is becoming more and more urgent and critical. This is why we are proud to be the new stewards of the La Mesa Eco Park in Quezon City. We do hope to make it a showcase not only of environmental conservation within a progressive city, but also a place of peace and progressive thinking with respect to sustainability. To do this, Manila Water Foundation needs more partners to enable WASH projects and environmental programs. We need partners so that we can reach more communities and touch more life. And so I invite organizations, public and private sector partners, to continue to create positive change. Please join us. Please join the wave.
Manila Water Foundation remains committed and dedicated to service, forging partnerships and leading the wave of positive change. Manila Water Foundation invites you to join the wave. Together, uplift lives, protect the environment, and empower dreams.